Developing, Carla Faith, the owner of 2 Colorado Springs daycare centers that were shut down by the state, has a new date for her advisement hearing. Faith was originally scheduled to appear in court this afternoon, but we've now learned she'll be back in court on January 2nd. Faith faces charges related to child abuse and attempting to influence a public servant. Last month, the Department of Health Services and Springs police officers raided Play Mountain Place Daycare Center following multiple complaints. Officers found 26 kids under the age of 2 hidden behind a false wall. Parents we spoke to were devastated at the thought of what their children must have gone through, and they're especially frustrated because they say the daycare and Faith had really great reviews.
Carla did not care about my kid. She cared about my money. And that's not right, and that's not fair. She could have had a beautiful and brilliant business, and all she did was cram more and more kids in that basement and left them there on their own.
When police raided the daycare, they also found a backpack with syringes and bags of meth. Play Mountain Place and another daycare owned by Faith, Counterpoint School, were both shut down by the state. These 2 suspects are also facing charges related to this raid. Caitlin Nelson, a daycare employee, is facing a felony drug charge and child abuse charges. Christina Swoger is facing the same charges as Faith. All 3 women have their advisement hearings scheduled for January 2nd. We'll continue to follow this case and bring you the latest updates.